Here is how you can easily freeze the first two rows as well as the first column on an Excel. This is what always catches me out. So when you go to View, the View tab over here, and Freeze Panes, you've got a few options. Now what you need to do first is make sure that the cell is selected. Select the first cell that you do not want to freeze. So I'm not going to select this or this. I want the first two rows to be frozen. So I'm going to select the third cell. And then I'm going to say Freeze Panes. And then I'm going to choose this one here, Freeze Panes. Now that, as you can see, is now freezing the first two panes. So let me undo that. Unfreeze. Now, say I want to freeze the first column as well. All I need to do is click my mouse on this cell over here. That will hopefully freeze the first two rows and the first column. Let's try that. There you go. Perfect. That's how you can get out of a pickle and figure out how to freeze any columns or rows that you want.